You see, all of you, what is the midpoint theorem? The line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and equal to half of it. Means in a triangle ABC, suppose D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. Then this line segment DE is parallel to BC. If we can write in short way, then we can write this one DE parallel to BC and DE equal to 1 by 2 BC. Which one in statement written here? That's meaning is DE parallel to BC. You see here, two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Which one third side? Third side is BC. Means this DE is parallel to BC and DE and equal to half of A. Means what? DE is equal to 1 by 2 BC. How we can prove this one theorem? All of you say in proof of the midpoint theorem. Wait, all of you. We draw a line EF which is equal to DE. DE means this side and this side are equal and join CF. Join CF. After joining CF, you see in triangle ADE and EFC, we have proved here congruency of triangle. In triangle ADE and triangle EFC, you see all of you, A is equal to EC. A is equal to EC. Why? E is midpoint of EC. E is midpoint of EC. That's why A is equal to EC. Again, angle AED. Angle AED is equal to angle CEF. CEF by which? Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. And DE is equal to EF. DE is equal to EF. How? By construction. By construction. I construct this one DE. It proceed to F in which DE is equal to EF. Then all of you see we have proved the criteria of these two triangles of congruency. Therefore, triangle ADE congruent to triangle EFC by side angle side criteria. When we have proved the triangle ADE congruent to triangle EFC, then we can able to tell AD is equal to CF by CPCT. AD is equal to CF by CPCT. Again, all of you say AD is equal to BD. Why? B is midpoint of AB. That's why AD is equal to BD. Means we can able to write here BD is equal to CF and BD parallel to CF and BD parallel to CF. This is by construction CF parallel to AB. By construction CF parallel to BD. I will write here by construction. by construction. Again, all of you see here, if BD is equal to CF and BD parallel to CF, what is this implied? In exercise 8.1, when we prove the opposite sides of any one quadrilateral are equal and parallel, then we can say that quadrilateral is parallelogram. Then by that criteria, we can say here BCFD is a parallelogram. This implies that BCFD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Then in parallelogram, if one sides are equal and parallel, then other side also equal and parallel. Means we can able to tell here DF is equal to BC. What we can able to write? DF is equal to BC and EF parallel to BC. This implies that DF parallel to BC and DF equal to BC. DF, DF we can able to write here 2DE, 2DE. Then 2DE is equal to BC. This implies that DE is equal to 1 by 2 BC. Means DE is just half of third side. Just half of third side. Then here we want to prove DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC. Then we can able to write here DE is also parallel to BC. DE is also parallel to BC and DF is equal to yes, DE is equal to 1 by 2 BC. Then you see here in short here written DE parallel to BC and DE is equal to 1 by 2 BC. Then in this way we have proved the midpoint theorem. Proved. All of you understand how I prove this theorem, midpoint theorem. Name you are listening so many times, but this theorem is very interesting. Very interesting this theorem. If anyone doubt in this theorem proving, then you can tell me. Sir, in this step I am feeling difficulty. Anyone confusion? Hello? If anyone student feel anyone confusion in this step, then you tell me. Okay, which one student? This is parallelogram. Then CF is equal to BD. CF is equal to BD, and CF is equal to BD, and this is equal to AD also. This is equal to AD also. If BD and AD are equal because D is the midpoint of the triangle. D is midpoint of side AB. D is midpoint of AB. D. That's why we have written. Now in triangle ADE, in triangle ADE and triangle EFC, EFC. You see all of you, angle EAD is equal to angle EAD equal to angle ECF, 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 alternate interior angle. alternate interior angle. EAD, EAD and ECF. Sorry, this one. This angle is equal to this angle by alternate interior angle. Again, I want to see here, if this is equal to this and AD is equal to CF and AD is equal to CF, this angle is equal to this angle, AD is equal to CF also. Then what we can able to say here, that is already here we proved there. So, and angle E, EDE, ADE, ADE equal to angle CEF, CEF, CEF. This one also given alternate interior angle. ADE, ADE and CEF, alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. By this, we have proved there angle side angle. This two triangle is ADE congruent to triangle EFC by angle side angle. Already we have proved this congruent triangle. So AE is equal to, we can able to write here, E is equal to CE. This implies that A is equal to CE by CPCT. By CPCT. CPCT. When this proves that A is equal to CE, then we can able to say here, what is this imply? E is midpoint of E is midpoint of AC, and that's what we want to do. Then it converts what you see, what I have done there. First, by construction here drawn, CF parallel to B, CF parallel to B, and PE parallel to DF parallel to BC already. By the midpoint theorem, we have knowing this one. Then, if opposite pairs of sides are parallel, then we can able to say that figure quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Again, what I have proved in triangle ADE and EFC. These two triangle I have proved the congruent triangle. You can, how I have proved in midpoint theorem, that's why also able to write R by angle side angle. You can able to prove. When you prove that these two triangle are congruent, then you can able to say here A is equal to EC, and if we have proved that A is equal to EC, then we can able to tell E is also midpoint of AC. E is also the midpoint of AC, and that's one we want to prove here. That's why in this way prove. All of you see one question I will discuss from your book. Given that 10 minutes time given, in 10 minutes I will complete one question. NCERT first. First from NCERT I will complete, then I will take your confusion from RAS. You see here, your question number 1, given which one? And all of you very clear your syllabus of it, this periodic test 1. Okay. You see question number 1 given exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2. Using the midpoint theorem, you see very easy discussion. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which ABCD, like this one, quadrilateral one. A, B, C, D. One quadrilateral in which P, Q, R, and S are midpoint of side AB, BC, CD, and AD. AD. AC is the diagonal. AC is the diagonal. We join this midpoint of the side. This figure are obtained. We prove question number 1. First part, prove S are parallel to AC. S are parallel to AC and S are equal to 1 by 2 AC. Second part, we want to prove here PQ is equal to SR. PQ is equal to SR. Third part, we want to prove here PQRS. PQRS is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. You see before how initially we proved that question, but using the midpoint theorem, this proof is very, very easy. How? You see here, proof of this question. Proof. In triangle ABC, you see here, in triangle ABC, P and Q are midpoint of AB and AC sorry, BC and BC. Then by midpoint theorem, here what we can able to write, PQ is equal to, PQ parallel to, is clear. This is not your first part. In triangle ACD, क्या करना है, इसको हम लिख देना है PQ parallel to AC and PQ is equal to 1 by 2 AC. That is equation number 1. Suppose that is equation number 1. First part, all of you see, in triangle ACD, S and R are midpoint of AD and AD. Then by midpoint theorem, what we can able to write? S are parallel to AC and S are equal to 1 by 2. Yurajpal, we have able to written this one by using midpoint theorem. Yurajpal? Okay. Then you see, this is the first part, and for second part, you see here, already here equation number 1 calculated. In second part, you have seen here, from equation 1 and 2, we get PQ is equal to 1 by 2 AC and SR is equal to 1 by 2 AC. You see, in both equation, right hand sides are equal, then left hand side are not equal. We can write there. This implies that Q is equal to SR. SR. This is the second part. In third part also, we have write same way. Third part from equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. PQ, sorry, PQ parallel to AC and PQ is equal to 1 by 2 AC. PQ, sorry, SR parallel to AC and SR equal to 1 by 2 AC. Now you see here, PQ parallel to AC and SR also parallel to AC. Then PQ is not parallel to SR. Sure, this PQ also parallel to SR. This implies that PQ parallel to SR and PQ is equal to SR. If PQ parallel to SR and PQ is equal to SR, then we can able to say P quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. This implies that PQRS is a parallelogram. 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 Then in this way, we have proved the questions of the exercise, this given exercise. Okay. Then based on the midpoint theorem, we can prove. Now we see question number 2 also here given that ABCD is a rhombus and PQRS are the midpoint of the side AB, BC, CD and AD respectively, so that the quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. By midpoint theorem, very easy way you can able to prove PQ is equal to SR. And similarly, you have able to prove QR is parallel to SP and QR is equal to SP. Means this one able to prove same way, it is a parallelogram. And what is the difference between parallelogram and rectangle? All of you know, right? 90 degree. Then one extra work we have done in this question number 2, we prove all this angle is also 90 degree. Then you have tried of this question solution, and if you are not able to prove, then in next time, which one next session we will come, I think on Tuesday, we will discuss the exercise, remaining question also. You see question, वो क्वेश्चन जो ही हमारा खत्म हो रिवीजन जो ही शुरू कर रहा है इसके बाद एक्सरसाइज के अभी हमको एक चैप्टर पर नाम ले लीजिए, सुनिए एक चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लेने दीजिए, एक दिन और लगेगा इसमें, इस एक्सरसाइज में एक टर्न और मान के चलिए लगेगा ही लगेगा, क्योंकि कंफ्यूजन आएंगे ही आएंगे। तो वो कंफ्यूजन जब क्लियर हम कर लेंगे तो उसके बाद तब आरएस से भी डिस्कस किया जाएगा, नेक्स्ट वीक में ही होगा जी। ये चीजें हैं, आप ये सब चीजें को ध्यान दीजिएगा जी जी। किसी किसी में जनरली क्वेश्चन में मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम ही लगेगा और किसी किसी में आपका जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 दिया है, देखिए तो ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and DD is a diagonal and E is a midpoint of AD. A line is drawn through E parallel to AB. Intersect AB at intersect AB, intersecting BC at AF. So that AF is the midpoint of BC.